Welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to do a DIY pedicure and I'm using this pumice scrub that I got from Sally's. I'll make sure that I link everything that I use today in the description box. This is an affordable pedicure for those of y'all who do not want to go spend any money. So I did soak my feet for about 20 minutes in some hot water in my foot spa that I got from Wally World for about maybe $15–20. And I'm using this extra coarse pumice because my feet need a lot of TLC. So what I did is I came in with my e-file. I'll link this as well. And I'm cleaning up my cuticles. This is one of my favorite bits. It gets rid of all of that skin off. Now warning, my baby toe, y'all, is ugly. Okay, I actually have 2 toenails on each of my baby toes. So what I do is in the middle where they meet, I file them to make them look like one huge toenail. So you know. So go ahead and clean up the skin around these, and then I go and I clean up the cuticles on my other foot as well. Warning, guys, my other toe is ugly, if not uglier than the first one. So as you can see, once again, I do have 2 toenails on one toe. So I literally file the first one, the one closest to my other toes, is like huge, and then the baby one on the back isn't too bad. But anyways, guys, I've had this my entire life. It's genetic and it's ugly. So I am using this bit. It is my favorite bit. It kind of like sands the nails without sanding the nails. I don't really know how to explain it, but this is like a good bit that you can use on your cuticles as well as your natural nail. It doesn't really take off too much. It just kind of like gets everything nice and neat and clean. So you can see I still had a little gel polish from my last pedicure. I always do my toes with gel. I used to not do it because my toenails will last me months, but I started using gel just because I like how much cleaner it looks, because I like them super square. So during this process, I did break a nail. So because I broke a nail, I decided to come in with Polygel so that I can fix it. And then once I got going on one nail, I just kept going. So next I'm coming in with this bit. This helps clean up all that dead skin around your nails. I have a ton of it, guys, and I mean absolutely a ton. It's probably been about a month since the last time I've touched my feet. And I'm gonna be honest with you, I've been sick. I haven't put lotion, anything. So these feet are ugly and crusty right now. So this was like, I literally went in on my feet. So I'm just cleaning up all of that dead skin around. It did come off fairly easy, I think, because I had soaked my feet for a while. So this process was actually much quicker than it typically is. So like I said earlier, I do like a squared toenail. So I'm coming in right here and squaring it off. And as you can see, that corner broke off, which I kind of expected because I hit that toe and it was hanging on by a thread. So I went ahead and I pulled that little piece off, and that's at the moment I decided I was going to use Polygel because I just hate when my big toe is ugly. Like the other ones you can kind of camouflage, but I feel like my big toe just, it just got to be right. So after I, decided this, I went ahead and just continued to square off the nails. So, like I said, I'm one of those people who do my feet once a month, sometimes even every other month. So, I do take my time in prepping. So, I go ahead and I use some dehydrator and I do prime my nails twice. And then when I'm done with that, that's when I usually come in with my base gel and then I cure that for 60 seconds. So today I am using some Polygel from Macart. Macart is my favorite Polygel, like, period. It just is what it is. I have another brand I really like as well, but Macart just lasts forever. So it is a little bit stickier. So I learned to use 91% alcohol, I believe. And when I do that, then that's when I get this, which is way easier to work with. So I did use a little too much Polygel on my big toe. I think I got a little carried away because I wanted it to be like super pigmented. So I did have to do a little bit more filing on my big toe, but my two big toes, but my other 8 toes came out perfect. So right here, I'm just kind of patting it into place. And what I like about Polygel, guys, take your time. Versus had I did this with acrylic and had that little dip close to my cuticle, it would have cured and it would have bothered me and I would have been just, ugh. So I do prefer Polygel for like toes and stuff, just because I feel like it's a little bit more manageable and it's super easy to file. And I like to keep it thin on my nails so that way it doesn't look too crazy. But this, like I said earlier, I did kind of mess up on both of my big toes, so they were super chunky until I filed and shaped them. So I did leave this video on real time. I'm gonna be quiet for a little bit, let you guys watch me work, and then I'll come back closer to the end. I just wanted you guys to see how slow I work, just so you can get the real deal. So after I completed my last nail, I cured these nails for about 90 seconds. I file shaped and buffed. I thought I was recording, guys, but I guess my phone had died. So I did file shape and buff, and then I did like a little French tip. Nothing too cute. My tummy was in the way, y'all, so it's hard to get these French tips the way I really wanted them to be, you know, thick girl problems. But anyways, this is the final result. I will show y'all how beautiful my feet look in the sun and my nice sandals glistening with a little lotion and oil. But thank you guys for watching my video. I hope that you guys like this. Make sure that you subscribe, comment below, and turn on your post notifications. And I'll see y'all on my next video.